Hi everyone, just wanted to do a little video to share a little insight I've got into the Jesmonite ac730. Okay, so we're all loving the AC100. I know I was excited to try the AC730 so I could use it outside. However, I was very unsure about wanting to use acid. Acid is used to corrode the surface area of your finished piece. I haven't got a finished piece. Oh, yes I have. For example, this piece. And then once you put the acid etch onto this, it would corrode the surface area, showing through all the beautiful bits of granite and things inside, and gives a lovely finish. However, it's acid. And I know lots of us, and I know myself certainly, wasn't keen to use acid, especially when I'm portraying how eco-friendly Jesmonite is. So, thinking back to the science behind it, basically it's a type of acid that corrodes, but we've got something in our kitchen cupboards that can do just the same job. Vinegar. So I did try a couple of different things first. I tried Coca-Cola. As you can imagine, it was working wonderfully. That gave a horrible brown stain to my work. But a nice clear white vinegar actually works amazingly. I'll show you now a little bit of the coaster that I'm doing, what it looked like before. I've got a little tiny clip that I'll play now. So what I did with that coaster is I got a little pot like so, put some vinegar into it, and then I submerged that coaster in there for about, probably about 40 minutes. And then I got it out and I took a scrubbing brush and I just scrubbed all the loose away. And I don't know if you can see the beautiful sparkle. So this is just the white marble ac730. So you can see the white sparkles. That's naturally in the piece. I added some glass because I had some and I love the finish of little pieces of glass in there. I will do some when I get some more colours of the ac730. Unfortunately, the stock is very limited everywhere at the moment. And obviously I'll try it on the others and see how it goes. But this was really simple. Literally submerged in the vinegar, about 40 minutes, good scrub. If you can imagine, it obviously smells a little bit. Just some dishwashing liquid and water. Gave it a good wash. Doesn't smell at all now. Left it outside, not for very long, probably 10 minutes or so, just to take the moisture away. So I'll leave this probably to dry thoroughly for say 24 hours, and then I'll treat it with a sealer. Just to show you, I've done a few other bits. So I've tested it on multiple pieces. So this is a little sparkle you can see, and a tiny fine glasses in that one, almost like grains of sand, particles of coloured glass. And then this piece, which it's got lots of sparkle. I don't know if you'll really be able to see it all on camera, but this I did multiple glass colours at the top, and I even did some purple glass at the bottom, which was finer, just to see it and kind of test it out a bit more really. But again, this was in vinegar. I actually did this one outside because it was so big. I was submerging it, taking it out and giving it a scrub, just giving it a helping hand really, because it's only really going to corrode the outside surface. I imagine you could probably leave it in the vinegar for longer and it wouldn't be an issue. However, I'm impatient and I wanted to give it a helping hand so I could see what the result was going to be. So really, as simple as that. Vinegar is much better than acid to use. One, it doesn't hurt your hands. I could use my hands if I wanted to. I used gloves with my larger piece outside, but these ones I didn't use any gloves. Yeah, I smell a little bit of vinegar, won't lie. But it worked a treat. I am currently testing it on the AC100 to see if it's going to help with the sanding process. We all love that chorizo kind of look, but the sanding process isn't fun. So it's currently not corroding it naturally in the vinegar, but I'm going to try wet sanding with the vinegar rather than water to see if that helps the process or speed up the process. And I will update on that. Please have a go and let me know your thoughts. And of course, it's nice and safe to get rid of vinegar. I don't know if any of you know, it's safe with your pets. I use it to treat ants in the garden because I've got dogs. So yeah, it's nice and safe. Any questions, please let me know. Quite excited about this little discovery and hope you guys are too. Bye.